Alright guys, I want to start this video off by saying you live and you learn. As I start my quest to become a full automotive mechanic slash bodywork slash painter, I'm already very good at working on cars since I've been working on cars since I was 10 years old. There's pretty much nothing I cannot do as far as working on cars. And I want to be the same way when painting and doing bodies. So as I start this journey, I'm learning a lot. In one of the cases, or in this instance, my goal was to install the brand new windshield. I got lucky to get it was here at one of the Chicago body and glass shops. They had the window for some decades and had one left, and I was able to get it a brand new windshield for this car. So I picked it up and was excited to put in. Kind of cleaned around the rim really good. However, I left a track of the old butyl glue or adhesive they used on the original window. There was a track there, or nice little pathway that I didn't scrape up, so it was some adhesion still there. Hence, me making a critical error, a crucial error, without adding some pinch weld. And I was called out on it on the video. Not so much called out, but told me that despite of me having that trail there of old adhesion, I should have used some pinch weld primer, and I didn't use it. I had it to the side and I didn't take that crucial step, and I'll explain what happened when I enter the video and why I had to remove the new windshield that I just installed. I think back in March, so about 8 months ago, I installed the new windshield and was excited about it. But throughout the summer, I noticed when I lift or push up on the window, I wasn't getting adhesion on the side, and I'll talk about that later. So let's jump into the video. You guys can see why I had to remove this windshield again, just making that crucial mistake. Perfect adhesion all around here, all around the rim, up to about right here, and from here on both sides, all of this, from here on out, you can literally lift the windshield out. And this windshield was installed 8 months ago, and you can push it and it'll lift up. Despite it got maybe 120, 130 degrees in this garage during the summertime, it just wouldn't stick. So I decided to remove this windshield no matter what. I was going to take it out, and I'm like, you know what, I might as well do it before we paint the car. And lo and behold, taking my time, taking my slow time, I kind of sped up a little bit in this area when I should have just stayed going turtle slow. And I lifted up just slightly, and I heard, and I knew I messed up a brand new $400 windshield. And at that point, I just didn't care. I just wanted it out. Ruined the $400 windshield. I got another one coming on the way. Just a terrible lesson learned. Missed that one step, and it wasn't sticking here. There's nothing I can do to get it stick on either corner. Nothing. Here as well as here. And of course, I could have put the trim on it and probably would have held in place, but that's not who I am. Live and you learn. I learned a mistake. You know, I was angry at first, but you know, it was a mistake, a costly one, but it was a mistake, and I learned from it. I took windows out of cars in junkyards when I was 14, 15 years old, taking windows out with cable. And I should have went with the old school method, just take the cable out and just saw it up through there. And I was using that tool right there. I think that does really well, but I should have kind of sawed it. It was sticking within here, and I just messed up a brand new windshield. Of course, you could have took the money I've spent on buying this windshield and replacing and buying another windshield, go to the professionals and do it. But if another human being can do it, I can do it. And I just study and learn from my mistakes. That's just who I am. So I'll pop this out. The new windshield may come with that. And I guess for the better part now, I'll clean up in here really well now. And I'm gonna, I'll paint this now. It'll look nice. I did see some little surface rust all up along here. and that will allow me to remove that. I don't like that. I don't want to see that. I'm going for near perfection with this job. I'm gonna do the very best that I can. I'm not a professional painter. This is my entry-level paint job, my first paint job ever on a car, and it's gonna turn out amazing. That's a guarantee. The problem is I don't have the experience as a professional painter, so it's gonna take me longer to make it look amazing, but it will. All right, just want to show you guys my costly mistake, and it sucks, it does, but things happen, man. You just move on from it. You learn from it. That's what makes us who we are. That's what makes us become better at things. I'll be better when installing the next windshield. Just like this is my first paint job. I'll learn from this. I'm gonna be amazing moving forward. I will be like a professional painter soon. Just want to show you all this. Stay tuned for a lot of great content. Clean entire rim with windshield seats. See that? A lot of work to get that done. My new windshield. Sucks what happened. Kind of glad. Oh, this came by freight too. The box is huge. Kind of, in a way, I can't say I'm glad, but everything happens for a reason. It'll be a flawless install next time, and now I'm able to strip all that glue from around the windshield rim, and now I'll have that painted really nice. Yep. Really nice. Everything happens for a reason. Everything.